MS Word hack for students. You can create your resume more efficiently with these lines. You can create straight line. Type 3 hyphen and press enter. Straight line is ready. Next, type equal to for 3 times and press enter. This double line will be created. Next, for thick line, type underscore for 3 times and press enter. Use stars to make box line, type 3, and it will be boxed line. Use tilde to make wavy line, 3 times tilde and press enter. Use hashtag for make triple line together. Type hashtag for 3 times and press enter. Follow for more.